welcome to the Mastermind National Level Abacus Gala 2026. Every great achievement begins with a dream. A dream nurtured by dedication, discipline, and the courage to keep moving forward. Today we celebrate those dreams becoming reality. This is more than a competition. It is a celebration of hard work, perseverance, and the limitless potential that lies within every child. For years, Mastermind Abacus has empowered children by developing essential life skills such as concentration, mental calculation, confidence, and critical thinking, preparing them for success far beyond the classroom. Today, these children have shown us that age is never a barrier to excellence. With passion, commitment, and the right guidance, every dream has the power to become reality. This remarkable celebration brings together students, parents, teachers, and franchise partners, united by a shared vision to nurture excellence and inspire the leaders of tomorrow. Every applause echoes the efforts behind the success. Every achievement reflects determination, guidance, and the unwavering support of families and mentors who believed in these young achievers. Behind every smile is a story of dedication. Behind every trophy is a journey of countless hours of practice, learning, and growth. Today, these young champions proudly stand as an inspiration to us all. Congratulations to all our champions, parents, teachers, and partners. Thank you for making the Mastermind National Level Abacus Gala 2026 an unforgettable celebration of talent, learning, and success. The journey continues.